Stop. Before you even think about tapping that Buy Now button on a pair of AirPods Pro 2 or even the new AirPods 4, you need to hear this. We are standing on the edge of the biggest shift in wearable tech history, and most people are about to make a $250 mistake. For years, Apple has played it safe. A little more noise cancellation here, a slightly better battery there. But the leaks coming out of Cupertino right now regarding the AirPods Pro 4? They aren't just upgrades. They are a total reimagining of what an earbud actually is. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We're talking about technology that was considered science fiction just 24 months ago. Infrared cameras inside your ears. A chip that has more processing power than the iPhone in your pocket? This isn't just about music anymore. This is about Apple's secret weapon to take over your entire digital life. Think about it. Why has Apple been so quiet lately? Why did they split the AirPods 4 into two different models? It's because they're clearing the deck. They are preparing the world for a Pro model that doesn't just sit in your ear. It watches, it listens, and it thinks. If you've ever felt like your current earbuds just aren't smart enough, or if you've noticed the battery starting to dip after a year of use, you're the exact person Apple is targeting with this next generation. But there's a catch. A massive one. And if you don't know the specific release window and the hardware changes coming to the H3 chip, you're going to have some serious buyer's remorse by the end of this year. Let's pull back the curtain on the AirPods Pro 4. The biggest rumor, the one that has every tech analyst in Silicon Valley losing their minds, is the inclusion of infrared sensors. Not cameras to take selfies, but tiny, powerful IR sensors that can see the world around you. Why would Apple put eyes in your ears? Because of the Vision Pro. Apple is building an ecosystem where your earbuds aren't just for audio. They are the spatial controllers for your entire environment. Imagine walking through your house and just nodding your head to turn off the lights, or waving your hand in midair. No touching the stems, no clicking buttons, just a simple gesture to skip a track or answer a call. This is the in-air gesture technology that we've been waiting for, and according to the latest supply chain reports, the Pro 4 is the chosen device to debut it. But it goes deeper than just cool gestures. We have to talk about the H3 chip. The H2 chip was a beast, sure. It gave us that 2x better noise cancellation. But the H3, this is built on a 3-nanometer process. For the non-techies out there, that means it is insanely efficient. We are looking at a potential jump to 8 or even 10 hours of battery life on a single charge with ANC turned on. No more low battery chirps in the middle of a cross-country flight. And let's address the elephant in the room, the sound. For the first time, Apple is rumored to be moving toward lossless wireless audio. For decades, Bluetooth has been the bottleneck. It compresses your music, stripping away the soul of the track. But with the new ultra-wideband integration in the AirPods Pro 4, we might finally get wired quality sound without the wires. If you're an audiophile, this is the only reason you need to wait. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's just a rumor, they always say this. But look at the patterns. Apple just refreshed the standard AirPods. They've updated the Max with USB-C. The stage is set. The Pro line is the crown jewel, and it's been sitting on the shelf for too long. There is also a whisper about a new Pro